In this video session, we are going to see how to use Excel's SmartArt feature to create an organizational chart. So let's take a fictitious organization which has chairman as the top person. Chairman is being reported by Chief Executive Officer, and Chief Finance Officer and Chief Marketing Officers report to Chief Executive Officer. Then there is a position of Chief Risk Officer who directly reports to the chairman. Chairman also has an assistant. So let's see how we can create this using SmartArt. So we'll go to Insert, Illustration and create SmartArt. Here we want a hierarchy chart. So hierarchy chart, you have various options are there. Let's take this organization chart. And in this organization chart, we know that first is a chairman. Then chairman has an assistant. Then you have CEO. CEO is being reported by Chief Marketing Officer. So if we have to create a child, we have to press tab here and we say Chief Marketing Officer and we say Chief Finance Officer, and chairman is directly reported by Chief Risk Officer. And then Chief Risk Officer will have its own team, director of risk, etc. So this way you have got a chart like this. Now there are various possibilities. Okay, you can move somebody up, move somebody down, you can promote somebody, you can demote somebody. Like as an example, you want to make CFO directly reporting to the chairman, you can promote him. So you can see the changes that has happened over here. And you can create right to left, left to right, whichever the way you would want to do. So this you should use to create organization chart.